Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are paired, updated, and nearby. Once done, open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to My Watch right arrow Siri. This is where setup begins. You need Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active so voice data and responses flow smoothly, and a clear mic so Siri hears you. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off while configuring, then proceed to enable the listening and feedback options we'll set next. Now enable the actual controls. Toggle Listen for Hey Siri, raise to speak, and press Digital Crown to activate Siri. Once enabled, set the language so recognitions match your accent. Make sure voice feedback is set to always or control with ring switch depending on how often you want spoken replies. Also enable dictation for text entry and confirm Siri permissions under settings right arrow privacy, so shortcuts and apps can use Siri. Make these choices deliberately. They determine how quickly and accurately Siri responds. Finish by testing. Say Hey Siri and try pressing the digital crown for a few commands, like set a 2-minute timer or send a quick message. Once working, create a simple Siri shortcut to integrate an app action. This confirms permissions and phrasing. If Siri fails to respond consistently, restart both devices, inspect and clean the microphone area, and retrain Hey Siri in settings that often fixes recognition issues. If problems remain, toggle Siri off and on again to reset the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.